Airfield, RAF Barnum, and back to Honington. And then it's on the 22nd of August that the Paramount to find out or working out what it is.
Now, one of the subjects you did was this air show, wasn't it?
12,000 feet. But today, as we said, with the weather conditions, we do have some clouds to contend with, a little bit of wind, but no rain to the bomber. However, they are trying to fix the aircraft. If they can get it fixed this afternoon, rest assured we'll do our very best. Get it across the country to Cosford, maybe display a little bit later on. Meanwhile, the Catalina starting up on the flight line. That'll be displayed for us shortly, but we are looking out for another, which the Royal Air Force Gliding and Soaring Association, the RAF GSA, operates, providing gliding experience to members of the service who wish to sign up. It started out what's now the RAF Shortbury Gliding Club as the Wrekin Gliding Club at RAF Cosford. Gliding at this airfield, as I mentioned, and Hotspur gliders, 1200 horsepower Pratt & Whitney twin Wasp, radial engines and started to take off roll, the consolidated PBY-5A Catalina. Incredible endurance of up to 30 hours, a range of 2,500 miles. In fact, 2 VCs were awarded to captains of Catalinas for courageous attacks on German U-boats. Right? This was an aircraft. Operational service, but during and after World War II, which was in the Air Sea Rescue role. They were designated as OA-10As, so it was that in 2005, when this aircraft was put into military markings, the decision was taken to commemorate the loss of that particular OA-10A Catalina. And those early air sea rescue efforts, rescuing downed military aircrew during wartime, the forerunners to the much broader air sea rescue as it used to be known now search and rescue service, of which we commemorate 70 years in RAF service here at Cosford today. The Catalina from plain sailing into land, captained today by Angelo Cunningham, an Irishman with a very broad aviation experience. He spent many years in the commercial aviation world. David John, next to DJ, all together.
Leone and the Persian Gulf. He's also spent 3 years flying search and rescue missions off the Cornish coast. DU now rolls 90 degrees whilst pointing straight up before completing a stall turn at almost